Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about phase diagram. So phase diagram is telling us, for example, here it's pressure and temperature chart. And we know there are solid, liquid, gas, SLG here. All those lines are the coexistence line. For example, when solid melted to liquid, or liquid freeze back to solid, so that's melting line. Okay, so that's when solid and liquid coexist. Then you have like a liquid to gas, or gas condensed back to liquid, liquid evaporized to gas. So that's gonna be our boiling curve, right? Then between solid and gas, when solid become gas, that's sublimation. They skip the line, they skip the liquid. So this line is called sublimation line. Okay. And so where those melting, boiling, and sublimation coexist at the same point is triple point. And another point to look at is called a critical point. That's between L and G. At the critical point, the gas and liquid line stops. So beyond this point of the gas liquid line, the liquid gas becomes like indistinguishable. And so they merge into a single phase here, critical point. And normally we don't have that. At least for me, I don't have that visualization to think about it, because it happened at this particular pressure and temperature that does not happen at ambient pressure. So that's phase diagram in general. But wonder why they are located in this particular spot, quadrants. So think about this. If we go really low temperature, so this is the temperature line. If you go really low, it's everything gonna freezes. So that's where solid stays, right? Okay. And also when you go increase up the pressure, you become more solid. So that's where solid stays, higher pressure and lower temperature. Now, if you were trying to warm it up, increase up the temperature, depending on your pressure, you can either go to liquid or goes to the gas. So now you imagine if you have a tank full of gas, you compress it by squeezing it, if it's at the same temperature. So you have the same temperature here. When you squeeze them, the mass stays the same, but volume increases. Therefore, the density of it gonna increase, right? So when you squeeze, increasing up the pressure, this gas will become liquid, because gas have way less density than liquid, right? Okay. So that's all. And another common sense we need to know is at different temperature, at different pressure, the boiling point different. When you have high, it's proportional. When you have high pressure, you're gonna have higher boiling temperature. Lower pressure corresponding to lower boiling temperature. Okay, for example, when you at Denver, the pressure is low. In that situation, you have lower boiling temperature. All right, that's all we get for this phase diagram. So, actually, see you next time. Bye.